Well, got it figured out. The hydraulic pump for this Vermeer trencher is right down in there. Come up a double pulley off the crankshaft right there, down over here with an adjustment. It started banging, making a lot of noise. So I looked it over, and it one belt left on there on a double pulley that's right here. Shaft was going through here. The flange block bearing walled out in there, eat up the shaft. This flange block here might need replaced. I'm going to replace this chain coupler, and I'm going to replace the chain coupler, the chain, this flange block, and build me a new shaft and this go-kart axle. It's got a keyway from here all the way to the other side over there. Same size as that shaft there. It's got a keyway here, and on the other end for the taper lock on that double pulley. Can't do that though. Eat up. Anyway, I can make a new shaft out of that go-kart axle. Be good to go. Get that machine going again. Yep, got a plan. Got some parts here, another $150 worth of flange blocks, belts, and double chain for that coupler. Be good to go.